Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Cold air continues to spill in. Showers continue to spill in as well as we're on sort of the back end of that cold front that came through earlier this afternoon and for folks out at the coast earlier this morning. Let's go out to the Storm Tracker. I'll show you what's going on right now as we look up and down the I-5 and pretty much up and down the coastline of Washington and Oregon. Still looking at some pretty good shower activity. Most of that is centered up into western Washington now, but you can see we've got some little batches of rain that are sort of squishing together, little showers that are kind of waving their way as we move on to the overnight hours tonight. We'll continue to see this spill in, so we're not done just yet, but again, they're going to become a little more widely scattered, a little more isolated in nature. Still lots of good snow up at the Cascades too. If you're headed over the passes tomorrow, do expect they could get an additional around 3 to 5 inches, mainly for I think the northern Cascades, maybe 2 to 4 as you get across Highway 20, probably a little less than that down towards Willamette Pass, but it's going to be icy up there. Temperatures right now on top of Odell Lake, which is right outside of Willamette Pass, if you're not familiar, around 31 degrees. 37 out in Bend, 35 in La Pine, 38 in Blue River, still sitting in the mid-40s to low 40s as you get in the valley here, and around mid to upper 40s out to the coast. 47 our high today, so remember yesterday we were saying we'll be close to where we should be this time of year. Yep, that was the case. Still on the mild side this morning. These will start dropping into the 30s overnight lows the next couple of days. We did pick up about 2/10 of an inch of rain. Same story out to the coast, about 3/10 of an inch. We'll be adding some to this as we go overnight tonight. No major amounts, maybe a 5/100 to about 1/10 of an inch or so in spots. But there's more storms coming for the weekend and more showers and a few sun breaks. And the cold air is staying throughout most of the rest of the work week too, courtesy of that big dip in the jet stream. As that continues to head south and stay there, all that cold, unstable air spills into the northwest here. And we'll see little ripples start to ride over top of the ridge that's still off to the west of us as we go in towards your Thursday and Friday forecast. So we'll dry out for the most part tomorrow. I'll still call for a few isolated showers. Starting off dry on Thursday, but we'll see another wave come through probably between, I'd say, dinner time and into the evening hours. Then yet another one comes through as we head towards Friday into Saturday, and another one on Sunday. As you get the picture, we're back into the sort of that wet pattern as we've been in for most of the month of December. So the coast will see isolated showers tomorrow, then a bit of a dry Thursday, then pretty good waves coming about every 24 hours as we go from Friday all the way in through early next week. In the Umpqua Basin, isolated showers, temperatures cool again in the mid-40s, staying in those mid-40s Thursday and Friday. Then not much change in the weather, although it is going to get a lot wetter as we head to the weekend. Cascades, around 1 inch of snow. The heavy stuff will be late tonight. Should start to taper off to snow showers with some breaks in the clouds. Same thing in Bend and Redmond, just a trace, an inch of snow at times, but it is going to be mighty chilly as the overnight lows will dip into the mid and low 20s. And then finally here in the valley, we'll see isolated showers tomorrow. A few sun breaks thrown in there as well, but cool. 44 tomorrow, low 40s for highs on Thursday and Friday. And overnight lows in the mid-30s. If we break up some of the cloud skies, we could get some temperatures getting close to freezing and maybe some slippery roadways early in the morning, too.
Okay. Thanks, Justin.
You bet.